Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you put a aesthetic blurry effect to your photos on Instagram. Now this filter or this method could work for photos that you want to take on your camera from within Instagram, or the photos that exist already on your gallery. Right, so first of all we need to make sure of one thing, that is that if our Instagram is already up to date. Now before making this video I was facing quite issues in implementing this, but I what I also did was I offloaded my app and reinstalled it on. That is how it's done on iPhone, but if you're using a Android, all you need to do is clear your cache, and that is pretty much how it would kind of fix it. So let's open up our Instagram. So now on the left side we're gonna go to our stories side, from where we usually post our stories. And now I'm gonna go to my gallery and select a photo. Oh sorry, rather first of all, I need you guys to swipe to the extreme right side. Now you have this browse effect button. You're going to press on that, and then now you see a bunch of filters that you might be interested in. But what I need you to do is, on the top you see this toolbar. I want you to drag it on the right side, and it will reveal two more options, one's the search bar and one's the saved one. Right, so I want you to go to the search one, and before making this video I already searched for a blur filter, and I used this black blur filter, right? And now you see this bookmark is colored white because I already saved it, so I can go ahead and save it again. And then I could search for another filter, maybe for example dreamy, something like that. So basically the purpose of this is that you can just add multiple filters to one photo. For example, if I select this photo of my dog and I go now on the top right, you see this three stars that look like stars, kind of like a shiny sign. That is actually the filters, and this is the filter I just saved. And right now you're not seeing the other filter. That is probably because I need to, I guess I'll have to reset my app again. But you see this is a black and white blurry effect, and it does, I mean, it's not really working for this photo, but that is the purpose of the search bar. You can always search for more filters and look for what works best for you. And if you want to additionally add more filters over it, like for example if I downloaded this other dreamy filter, I can always take this photos screenshot, or save it in gallery, and then I can use this photo and add that effect onto that photo, and in that way I can apply multiple filters on a photo until I get the result that I was looking for. So that is pretty much all you needed to know on this. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.